Now, let's move downstream to the compressor turbine. The compressor turbine blades are made from conventional materials with several years of proven experience for maximized durability. To ensure perfect performance over time, online monitoring infrared cameras can be mounted on the SGT 750, allowing detailed temperature measurement of the rotating blades. All SGT 750s are mapped with the online monitoring IR cameras during engine delivery tests and later verified during regular scheduled inspections. The free power turbine is a two-stage high-speed module nominally running at 6,100 RPM. It's equally suitable for mechanical drive application or